Today, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of 3D printing, a technology that is revolutionizing the way we create and manufacture objects. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process that allows us to create three-dimensional objects from a digital file. By layering material upon material, we can transform a simple design into a tangible, real-world object. But what makes 3D printing so special? And why should you be excited about it? Let's break it down. Customization. One of the most significant advantages of 3D printing is the ability to create customized products. Whether it's a one-of-a-kind piece of jewelry or a personalized prosthetic limb, 3D printing makes it possible to bring unique ideas to life. Speed. Traditional manufacturing methods can be time-consuming, but 3D printing has the potential to speed up the production process. With rapid prototyping, designers can quickly create, test, and refine their products, getting them to market faster than ever before. Sustainability. As we become more environmentally conscious, it's essential to find ways to reduce waste. 3D printing allows for more efficient use of materials, as it only uses the necessary amount to create an object. Plus, many 3D printers can work with recycled materials or biodegradable plastics, further reducing their environmental impact. Accessibility. 3D printers are becoming more affordable and user-friendly, making this technology available to a wider audience. From hobbyists to small businesses, people can now harness the power of 3D printing to innovate and create like never before. Innovation. 3D printing has the potential to revolutionize industries, from healthcare to aerospace. We're already seeing incredible advancements, like the printing of organs for transplantation or the creation of lightweight, durable components for spacecraft. The possibilities of 3D printing are virtually endless, and we've only just begun to scratch the surface of what this incredible technology can achieve. As we continue to explore and innovate, there's no doubt that 3D printing will play a significant role in shaping the future of creation and manufacturing.